Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make your cupcakes flat on top, updated. Use a kitchen scale and fill each liner to the same weight so cupcakes bake evenly. Lower oven temperature by 15-25 degrees F and bake a bit longer for gentle rise and level tops. Rotate the tray halfway and avoid overbeating batter to reduce air that causes doming. Try chilling liners briefly before piping to smooth edges and experiment with a toothpick test to confirm doneness. I will show practical batter and mixing tweaks to keep cupcake tops flat and predictable. Measure ingredients precisely and avoid eyeballing flour or sugar amounts. Use the stir or fold method at the end to keep bubbles to a minimum. Cooler batter settles more uniformly, so avoid overheating while mixing. Small changes in technique make a big difference when your goal is smooth, bakery-style flat cupcake tops every time. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for reading recipes and saving baking notes anywhere, and it makes a handy kitchen companion. I'd recommend it for cooks who love digital cookbooks and portability. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you grab one, tell me how you use it. Now let's get back to the video. Let me explain oven and cooling habits that keep tops flat and consistent across batches. Confirm actual oven heat with a thermometer and adjust settings if needed. Bake on the middle rack and rotate once to avoid uneven doming from hot spots. Once baked, cool cupcakes on a wire rack so steam escapes rather than puffing centers. For best results, ice when fully cool to preserve your flat, smooth tops.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.